bearded dragon waves its tail, waves its tail, waves its tail. The bearded dragon waves its tail, our scaly friend so pale. The leopard gecko blinks its eyes, blinks its eyes, blinks its eyes. The leopard gecko blinks its eyes with spots like the sky. The turtle swims in the pond so deep, pond so deep, pond so deep. The turtle swims in the pond so deep with a shell that's strong and neat. The corn snake slithers through the grass, through the grass, through the grass. The corn snake slithers through the grass, moving fast it won't pass. The crested gecko climbs up high, climbs up high, climbs up high. The crested gecko climbs up high with big bright eyes, oh my. The ball python curls up tight, curls up tight, curls up tight. The ball python curls up tight, a gentle friend, not a fright. The green anole changes its hue, changes its hue, changes its hue. The green anole changes its hue from green to brown like new. The skink shows off its tongue so blue, tongue so blue, tongue so blue. The skink shows off its tongue so blue to scare, but it's nice too. The tortoise walks so slow and round, slow and round, slow and round. The tortoise walks so slow and round with feet on the ground. The garter snake wiggles in the sun, in the sun, in the sun. The garter snake wiggles in the sun, it's harmless and fun. Reptiles here and reptiles there, reptiles crawling everywhere. The corns and tails, we love them all. Reptile friends big and small.